Hi guys, this is Nishcha and welcome to Dubai Property Market Report of August 2022. Let's begin. So in August 2022, we have had a total number of transactions which were 9,733 transactions with a volume of 24.31 billion dirhams. So August 2022 has been the best month till date for 2022. Earlier it was June 2022 which had transactions worth approximately 22.5 billion dirhams, but now it has been dethroned by August 2022, and as we are moving ahead in the to the end of the year, the transactions keep on growing. The top 5 areas remained Business Bay number 1. These are in terms of volume, of course. So Business Bay number 1, Downtown Dubai number 2, Palm Jumeirah number 3, Dubai Harbour, which is also called Emaar Beachfront number 4, and number 5 was Dubai Hills Estate. So these were top 5 areas with most volume of transactions, and of course most number of transactions as well in some of these. There has been a 20% increase approximately in August 2022 in terms of volume of transactions as compared to July 2022, and of course August is the number one or the top month of the year with highest volume of transactions, and June is now number 2. Now in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you guys some reports and some index, and also want to talk a bit about the luxury property market, which I had mentioned earlier as well. So first of all, we'll come up to a report which we see. Now this report, as you guys can see, is by Property Monitor, and this is a dynamic price index of Dubai property market since 2008, January 2008 until July 2022. Now we have seen, as you can see this graph, there are two signs where the property market index has reached to highest level. First, it reached to highest level in approximately September 2008, where it had an index value of 169, as you can see. And then of course after the recession, there was a market crash, housing market crash all over the world, and again there was a free fall, market went down a lot, but then again it went back up in 2014, again September 2014, and the index went to 172 this time, which broke the earlier high of 169 in 2008. Now this went on from September until November 2014, the highest price point index in Dubai property market. And then of course because market had to correct itself, it decreased, and in 2020 we again saw a decrease in the market with COVID, and like one of the lowest points in Dubai property market. But Dubai property market from there has grown. Still, if we look at the current price index in August 2022, it is at 143 points. Now the highest has been 172 points. We are at 143 points according to this index. Now what does this mean? That Dubai property market's potential as of now, the highest potential is an index of 172 points or 172 index value, and now we are at 143, which means that there is still scope for growth, and there is a lot of scope for growth. Now when will we reach that highest point again, or maybe break that highest point? We don't know yet, right? But of course, if the market has reached its highest potential once, there are chances that it's gonna break that highest potential at some point in time. Now if we look back in 2014, there were not so many developments in Dubai. Yes, there were developments, it was getting popular, coming into the scene, but after 8 years, which is in 2022, we are one of the safest cities in the world. Of course, there are new visa reforms with golden visa, which was not there back then. Then we have the 100% ownership of the businesses. Tax free, it was there at that time and till now. But yes, of course, the visa reforms and the business ownerships, and more people coming into Dubai because of the luxury property market, and how because of the new communities which are being built here. So there's a lot of difference of Dubai in 2014 and Dubai in 2022, and you can imagine Dubai in the next 8 years as well, that what's going to be Dubai in the next 8 years. Now, still there's a lot of scope, even if you are entering the market at this point in stage. This is to all the buyers, or even who are the investors. If you're still coming into Dubai property market at 143 index value, investment is not a short term. We look at a long term investment. If you want to flip property, that's a totally different case scenario. You want to make money in 1 year, that's a totally different case scenario. But real estate market, is a long term investment in its core. It's not a short term investment which you can buy and sell it off the next day, unless and until you're very lucky to get a profit on that, right? So still there is a lot of scope which is there in Dubai property market, which it has to grow, and it can reach 172 points or even break that as well. So even if you're entering the market at this point in time, you still have a scope of capital appreciation as well. So this is kind of an index which is from Property Monitor, as you can see. And yes, if people say that it's a bad time to enter, it's not a bad time to enter if you look at a long term perspective, because there's still a growth potential in Dubai. This is one of the things which I wanted to discuss. So if you're scared to invest as of now, or if you think the market is going to drop down, see, the market is going to drop down at some point in time, or it's going to become stagnant or constant for some time. Yes, it's going to happen. But even if that's going to happen, we have to look at what was the highest maximum potential of a market. And yes, there is, as I mentioned, there was the highest maximum potential which was achieved in 2014, and it's going to be achieved or even broken in maybe a couple of years. So you are at the right position. You cannot buy at the bottom. There's nobody who can buy, even stock market, crypto market. You cannot buy at the bottom unless and until you are too smart, or you're the smartest person in the world. But of course, it's very hard to judge what is the bottom point of the market. But yes, as the slope is rising up, you can invest in that line, and of course you can see the growth potential in the market. We are we are in the last 4 months of the year. If we talk about this year, as I mentioned, August was the best year in 2022 in terms of sales volume, and last 4 months are always the best months of the year in Dubai property market. So we expect that the market is going to grow, the volumes are going to increase in these months probably, and of course we are going to see a great 2022 for Dubai. This was the first thing which I wanted to discuss in this video. The second thing which I want to discuss, as I mentioned, was about the luxury property market a bit. Now, I had made a video earlier, specifically, like there was a market report video, but I specifically mentioned a lot of things about Dubai property market or luxury property market in Dubai, and why people are investing in that luxury property market is because Dubai provides you with affordable luxury, it provides you with great capital appreciation, and a lot of high net worth individuals, the millionaires, the billionaires around the world are looking at Dubai as their primary homes or secondary homes, and having a lot of interest in Dubai. And of course, the hedge against inflation as well, which the investors are looking at Dubai because of the capital appreciations, and of course the huge rental yields as well. In that particular episode, I also mentioned about a sale which happened in Dubai, which is the most expensive villa which was sold in Dubai, which was a 270 million dirham villa in Palm Jumeirah, which happened recently. Now, in the recent reports by Khalij Times, it suggests, and of course a lot of newspapers as well, it suggests that that particular villa was bought by Mukesh Ambani. Now, who is Mukesh Ambani? He is one of the richest people in the world, a billionaire, approximate net worth of 95 billion dirhams at the moment, probably, and he's been one of the most popular people in India, and the richest person in India from quite some time, right? Of course, dethroned by Gautam Adani now, but yes, he's been the richest person in India from a long time, and one of the most influential business people in India. Now, why I mentioned this? Now, this has been reported. It's not fulfilled, or it's not confirmed, but yes, it has been reported by some of the newspapers here in Dubai that he bought that villa. Now, if this report is true, then the point which I mentioned, that a lot of high net worth individuals are looking at Dubai and believing in Dubai, becomes true 100%. If a person with this kind of a net worth is looking at Dubai to become their home, because 270 million villa is not just an investment, it may be their primary home or their secondary home, then they are believing in the power of Dubai, or the power of Dubai real estate market, which is very, very important point here. So if this news is 100% true, which I believe it's true, then like you can see like what kind of people are looking at Dubai right now. And he is a big shot. He's not just a regular guy. He's one of the richest people in the world. So he is looking at Dubai maybe as his primary home or secondary home. That means that there is something in Dubai property market that these kind of individuals are looking at Dubai. Another transaction happened in August 2022 for the most expensive penthouse which was sold in Dubai in the Royal Atlantis for 163 million dirhams. So guys, if a penthouse, this is the most expensive penthouse which has been sold in Dubai. If these kind of people are putting money into Dubai in the luxury property market, there is something in the luxury property market or like in Dubai's property market which is gaining confidence of these high net worth individuals, right? This is the reason, of course, why people are coming into Dubai is Dubai has a vote of confidence. The people believe that it's a great hedge against inflation. Again, I'm saying this. I said this in the earlier video. I'm saying it again that it's a great hedge against inflation. And if the high net worth individuals are moving to Dubai or looking at Dubai as a great investment, then everybody can look at Dubai as a great investment because those people are not stupid, according to me. Right? So but like these are very, very high-end properties which I'm talking about. Now again, there was a report which I just saw a few days back. It was posted by Khalij Times on their Instagram handle. Now Khalij Times is the biggest newspaper in Dubai. What was in that report? Now I mentioned one more thing, that Dubai provides you with affordable luxury, and this is why people are taking properties in Dubai or want to invest in Dubai or want to buy a property in Dubai. Now just look at this picture. It says how much real estate could you buy for 1 million dirhams. Now there are different countries of the world which are mentioned, and I'm going to start from bottom. So if you're buying a property worth 1 million dirhams, $1 million, then you can buy only 229 square feet of properties in Hong Kong. In New York, you can buy 358 square feet. In Paris, 455 square feet. Tokyo, 692 square feet. Miami, 833 square feet. Melbourne, 907 square feet. Madrid, 1136 square feet. And in Dubai, you can buy 1469 square feet. Even though the luxury, like it's mentioned that even luxury home prices in Dubai increased by 44% in 2021, though it's still one of the most affordable major cities. And it has been written for Miami as well that the prices increased by 28.2% in 2021, which is more than double the America's average, right? So look at Dubai. Even after 44% increase in the price in the luxury homes, still Dubai is affordable as compared to the major cities in the world where people invest their money in. So this is a report which has been generated by Khalij Times, posted by them on their Instagram handle, and this says that Dubai still provides affordable luxury to people even after whatever the prices are there in Dubai as of now, which is a very, very good sign, and which will make people think that instead of investing in different countries, they should rather focus on Dubai. Why not in Dubai? Why shouldn't they invest in Dubai? It's the safest city in the world. There is no tax on your rental income or your income as well. Best city in the world to live in. You get a lot of luxury in Dubai, like luxury communities, and of course at an affordable price. Great hedge against inflation. You get visas now as well, the golden visa. You get 100% business ownership. So Dubai is putting in a lot of efforts for people to come in, and those efforts are fruitful to the investors as well, because they're getting huge capital appreciations and great rental yields which they don't get all over the world in terms of short-term rentals or long-term rentals. So this was all in all the video the points which I wanted to discuss in this video. What we discussed, again, we discussed about the market report, we discussed about the property monitor index, that Dubai as of August is at 143 points in the index value, and the highest point was 172 in terms of index value. So there's still a lot of scope. How high net worth individuals are putting their confidence in Dubai and buying very, very high-end luxury real estate in Dubai, which is of very high worth and high value. And of course, if they can do it, then of course people should start thinking of investing in Dubai who haven't invested in Dubai as of now. And then of course this report in the end, which I showed you about the affordable luxury which Dubai is providing and how much square footage you can buy in Dubai for $1 million as compared to the major cities in the world where people invest. So Dubai has a vote of confidence in all these sections which I discovered in terms of the highest, August being the highest month, or all the other stuff about luxury real estate which I just mentioned. If you got any questions, you can write down in the comments below, and if you have your opinion about Dubai's property market, you can again put down in the comments below as well. This was from my side. I'll see you guys until next time. Thank you so much guys once again. Just hit on the like button if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much once again.